我简直不敢相信。
I can hardly believe.
I can hardly believe. I can hardly believe.
我简直不敢相信这个消息。
I can hardly believe the news.
I can hardly believe the news. I can hardly believe the news.
我简直不敢相信他说了那样的话。
I can hardly believe he said that.
I can hardly believe he said that. I can hardly believe he said that.
我总觉得。
I have a feeling.
I have a feeling. I have a feeling.
我总觉得哪里不对劲。
I have a feeling something is wrong.
I have a feeling something is wrong. I have a feeling something is wrong.
我总觉得今天会下雨。
I have a feeling it will rain today.
I have a feeling it will rain today. I have a feeling it will rain today.
我相当确定。
I am pretty sure.
I am pretty sure. I am pretty sure.
我相当确定他在家。
I am pretty sure he is at home.
I am pretty sure he is at home. I am pretty sure he is at home.
我相当确定这才是正确的方法。
I am pretty sure this is the right way.
I am pretty sure this is the right way. I am pretty sure this is the right way.
一如往常。
As usual.
As usual. As usual.
一如往常，他迟到了。
As usual, he arrived late.
As usual, he arrived late. As usual, he arrived late.
一如往常，火车上挤满了人。
As usual, the train is crowded.
As usual, the train is crowded. As usual, the train is crowded.
突然间。
All of a sudden.
All of a sudden. All of a sudden.
突然间，灯光熄灭了。
All of a sudden, the lights went out.
All of a sudden, the lights went out. All of a sudden, the lights went out.
突然间，下起雨来。
All of a sudden, it started to rain.
All of a sudden, it started to rain. All of a sudden, it started to rain.
但另一方面。
On the other hand.
On the other hand. On the other hand.
但另一方面，这个比较快。
On the other hand, this one is faster.
On the other hand, this one is faster. On the other hand, this one is faster.
但另一方面，这个选项比较便宜。
On the other hand, this option is cheaper.
On the other hand, this option is cheaper. On the other hand, this option is cheaper.
信不信由你。
Believe it or not.
Believe it or not. Believe it or not.
信不信由你，我跑了5英里。
Believe it or not, I ran 5 miles.
Believe it or not, I ran 5 miles. Believe it or not, I ran 5 miles.
信不信由你，他们赢了那场比赛。
Believe it or not, they won the game.
Believe it or not, they won the game. Believe it or not, they won the game.
最后。
In the end.
In the end. In the end.
最后，我们选了比较便宜的那个。
In the end, we chose the cheaper one.
In the end, we chose the cheaper one. In the end, we chose the cheaper one.
最后，一切都顺利解决了。
In the end, everything worked out.
In the end, everything worked out. In the end, everything worked out.
有意思的是
The interesting thing is.
The interesting thing is. The interesting thing is.
有意思的是它的设计。
The interesting thing is the design.
The interesting thing is the design. The interesting thing is the design.
有意思的是这个点子。
The interesting thing is the idea.
The interesting thing is the idea. The interesting thing is the idea.
有一件事我确定。
One thing I know.
One thing I know. One thing I know.
有一件事我确定，那就是时间过得真快。
One thing I know is time flies fast.
One thing I know is time flies fast. One thing I know is time flies fast.
我深知一件事，定期练习有助于提升技能。
One thing I know is that practicing regularly helps improve skills.
One thing I know is that practicing regularly helps improve skills. One thing I know is that practicing regularly helps improve skills.
坏消息是
The bad news is.
The bad news is. The bad news is.
坏消息是那家店已经关门了。
The bad news is the shop is closed.
The bad news is the shop is closed. The bad news is the shop is closed.
坏消息是我弄丢了手机。
The bad news is I lost my phone.
The bad news is I lost my phone. The bad news is I lost my phone.
我以前
I used to.
I used to. I used to.
我以前住在这座城市。
I used to live in this city.
I used to live in this city. I used to live in this city.
我以前放学后都会打篮球。
I used to play basketball after school.
I used to play basketball after school. I used to play basketball after school.
不是我的作风。
It's not my thing to.
It's not my thing to. It's not my thing to.
参加喧闹的派对不是我的作风。
It's not my thing to go to loud parties.
It's not my thing to go to loud parties. It's not my thing to go to loud parties.
吃辣不是我的喜好。
It's not my thing to eat spicy food.
It's not my thing to eat spicy food. It's not my thing to eat spicy food.
好笑的是
The funny thing is.
The funny thing is. The funny thing is.
好笑的是他又忘了。
The funny thing is he forgot again.
The funny thing is he forgot again. The funny thing is he forgot again.
有趣的是大家都笑了。
The funny thing is everyone laughed.
The funny thing is everyone laughed. The funny thing is everyone laughed.
举例来说
For example.
For example. For example.
举例来说，你可以每天学习。
For example, you can study every day.
For example, you can study every day. For example, you can study every day.
例如，你可以试试这个方法。
For example, you can try this method.
For example, you can try this method. For example, you can try this method.